Okay, so who's got the biggest line?
Me.
Why do you think you've got the biggest line?
Because I've got little tens and ones.
You've got little tens and ones? Bianca, do you think you might have the biggest line? Or who do you think's got the biggest line?
Martinita.
Why do you think Matarita's got the biggest line?
Because she's got little purples.
She's got little purples?
1 10.
So 1/10. Giovanni, who do you think's got the biggest?
Martinita.
Why do you think it's Matarita?
Because she's got little purples and 1 to 10s.
Okay. Dante, where's yours?
Right here.
Okay. You had the orange ones, 1/3. It's only a little bit. Okay, well I'm going to have 1/3 because I might think that that's bigger than...
Martinita's.
Yeah. Okay, so Dante, you think you've got the biggest now?
She's got 11.
Matarita.
She's got how many pieces?
11.
Count the Matarita.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Oh, you might have one too many. Can you pass one this way? I think you've got one too many.
On the screens, can I
Because you should only have 10 because you've
Can I
got
swap to the black one, please, Miss Finn?
1 out of 10.
Miss Finn?
Okay.
Can I
Right,
swap to
now
the
what we're going to do is... What we're going to do...
Oh,
I'm going to put the hole in. And I want you to line up yours in there to see whose is biggest and whose is not. Who's bigger than mine.
I'm gonna grab these.
No. You keep with what you've got.
I'm going to go after Bianca.
Okay.
Why, what's your place?
Because I'm not in a rush. Ladies first.
Boys first.
Guys, Margarita.
Oh, Margarita.
Send me out. Send me out. I'm supposed to put my last one in.
That's because you should only have 10. That's an extra one that's come from another piece. Because yours is 1 out of 10, 1/10.
They're all same out of amount.
Right, who thought before we did this that they were all going to be the same?
Me.
Well, you didn't say so, Matarita. You said yours was bigger. Can you put the other ones in to see if they're going to fit? Share them out. Matarita, everyone can have a go at putting them all in because we share.
Not just
Dante, can you give Matarita, can you give Bianca some because you've got 12?
Oh, see, that's why I wanted to grab them.
You're doing one night. Oh, you're going doing one. Oh,
What are they?
there's
Is that one up the right way?
No,
What?
not that one.
No.
Fix it up, Dante.
No, it's your one.
No, that's yours.
No, it's yours.
What about my one down here, the orange one? What fraction's that one?
1 through.
Yep. What is it, Bianca?
1 through.
Okay.
This one's the little worst.
Are we missing some of that one, I think?
Yes.
How many are we missing?
12. See what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So have we got 12 of these missing?
9, 10, 11.
Have we got 12 of these missing? No?
We need 12.
She's got 11.
But what are we missing? What fraction are we missing?
12.
That's one.
1 out of 12.
1 12. 1 over 12. 1 12.
I had
That's
more
right.
than Matarita.
Okay.
No.
What happens if...
21.
What are we missing now from the blue row?
2.
2 what? Are we missing 2 of these?
2, 8. Oh, 2, 1, 8.
Are we only missing 1 8?
1, 2.
1, 2.
How many's missing to make a hole?
Hey, wrong way.
How many's missing to make a hole?
2. 2. 2 out of 8.
2 out of 8. Thank you. Bianca's getting it. 2 out of 8. This is not 1 and that's not 1. This is 1/8 because this makes a hole. That's 1. That is what 1 looks like.
Big 8 over there.
Okay, so what about this time? Okay. How many tenths have we got here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Have we just, how many? What fraction is it?
1 out of 10.
For this one. How many tenths have we got here?
16.
Thank you, Bianca. We have 6 tenths. How many more do we need to make one whole?
4 tenths.
What is it, Giovanni?
4 tenths.
That's right, a fraction. Okay, let's move on. What about, how many fractions have I got in the green now?
3.
3 what? 3 of these?
No,
Have I got
3.
1, 3.
3 fifths? Thank you. How many more do I need to make one whole?
2 more.
2 fifths. Thank you, Bianca. You're getting it. Good girl.
She's too good.
She's a bit clever, isn't she? What about 1/6? I take away. How many have I got left?
5, 6.
Thank you, Matarita. Good girl.
1 6 missing.
1/6 is missing. That's right. Okay, what about... Okay,
I put in
1/3.
I've got 1/3 left. How much is missing?
2/3.
That's right. Excellent. Okay,
What about this one?
okay, you flip some over then, Matarita.
I want to flip.
And there should, remember, there should be another one in there. There should be 12. We're just missing some from our piece.
That one's counting.
Yep.
I've got 4.
Okay,
12.
so
8, 12.
8.
And then we've got 3, 8, 12.
12.
No, there should be one more. So we've got to add, pretend that one's there.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 12.
4 12s. That's right. Okay, we're going to play a game
What
now.
about this one?
Yeah.